Hey there, I'm Zachary Newton, and today I'm going to be going over the DOCTYPE declaration along with some of the previous HTML versions, and we're also going to go over the HTML page structure like we talked about in the last video. Alright guys, so in the last video we talked about the HTML structure of a page just a little bit, we briefly went over it. So today we are actually going to go over that again and write it out in the text editor, just so we can go over that information and soak it up a little more. Now, I'm going to be skipping the DOCTYPE declaration at the beginning of this just for now, because I'm going to come back at the end of this video and talk just a little bit about the DOCTYPE and some of what it does. So we're just going to skip down a line for this moment, and we're going to start our HTML page off with the HTML tags. So we have an HTML opening tag and we have an HTML closing tag. Now inside of here we'll have our head tag to open it, and we're going to close our head tag, and inside of our head tag we are going to add a title tag. So that's just going to be opening title and then a closing title, and you can put whatever you want in here. So I'll just put my site just because, why not? Alright, so after the head tag, you're going to go ahead and put your body tag down here. And you're going to open it and close it just like this. And let's go ahead and, just make everything look nice here like it should. Alright, there we go. So everything content-wise is going to go inside of your body, just like I mentioned in the last video. That's really all you need to get an HTML page up. That's just a simple HTML structure. So the first thing I want to tell you about the DOCTYPE declaration is that it represents the document type, and it helps browsers to display the web pages correctly. It should only appear once at the top of a page before the HTML tags. It is not case sensitive. That is nice. But why do we have to declare a DOCTYPE? Well, there is more than one version of HTML. Currently we are on HTML5, and we should remain on HTML5. It should just be continually updated under the same name, so that should not change. But just to put this into perspective, we have the original version of HTML, which came out in 1999, and then we got HTML 2.0, which came out in 1995. After that, we have HTML 3.2 in 97, HTML 4.01 in 1999, XHTML came out in 2000, and HTML5 actually came out in 2014. So just to help browsers display the information properly on the web from the web pages, we need to declare a DOCTYPE just so it can, have an easier time reading all that information. So again, the DOCTYPE declaration for declaring HTML5 is as follows. It's just going to be the open bracket and exclamation mark, the word DOCTYPE, just like that, and then HTML and the closing bracket, and that is it. That is your DOCTYPE declaration for HTML5. And that's the only declaration I'm going to show you today, because that's pretty much the only one that I use, and I'm not going to go ahead and teach you things that came out in the 90s right now. So I just wanted to go over the purpose of the DOCTYPE just a little bit today. So again, the DOCTYPE declaration is just to represent the document type and help browsers display web pages correctly. That is why we use the DOCTYPE declaration. And again, this is the DOCTYPE declaration for HTML5. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. And if you already have subscribed and you like this channel and you like the content that I'm putting on it, go ahead and go to my Patreon account at patreon.com/Zachary R. Newton, where you can support this channel and help me create better videos every week. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.